Cekakak Java is a species of bird that has a limited distribution in Java and Bali. Cekakak Java is a bird that is sensitive to humans, so it is quite difficult to take pictures up close. Cekakak Java is medium in size, which is about 25 centimeters, with a very dark color. Adult birds have dark brown heads, and its throat is brown. The bird has back wings and light blue flight feathers. The large white spot on the wings are clearly visible when flying. This bird has a very beautiful appearance. Although the size is not small, photographers cannot take pictures easily. Photographers usually get pictures of this bird from a fairly far distance. The bird is sensitive to foreign creatures that are coming. If there is a slightest sight of the foreign creatures, the Cekakak Java will avoid it. These birds can be found in open land and near clear water sources up to height of 1,000 meters. Cekakak Java looks for food in rice field, fish pond, dry marshes, and bushland. This bird eats insects and small animals. This bird also preys on fish, shrimp, and frogs. The Cekakak Java is often seen on low branches of trees. These birds will mate in March and September. The female of Cekakak Java produces 3 to 4 white eggs. These eggs will be placed in a nest like a tunnel in the ground. Thank you.